A new APK teardown from the folks over at Android Authority has pointed to some new data transfer methods that are currently being developed for Android. Right now, when we activate an Android smartphone or tablet, we have 3 different options to bring over your own data. We can connect to physical devices with a USB cable and allow the software to transfer your app data from one device to another. We can use a Wi-Fi connection to grab that data, or we can sign into our Google account and then restore from a Google One backup that was saved in the cloud. Now, the APK teardown reveals that Google is currently working on combining the first 2 options, and that would allow you to connect 2 devices together with that USB cable, and it would transfer some of that account data using a Wi-Fi connection, while transferring the other parts through the USB cable. This would result in quicker setup speeds, since the Android smartphone or tablet would be taking in data from 2 different sources at the same time. The APK teardown found evidence of another feature that's in development as well. It's called Restore Anytime, and it would allow devices that you've already set up to merge data from another smartphone or tablet that you already known. At this time, we can only bring over this data when the device is first activated or after we perform a factory data reset. But with this Restore Anytime feature, you would have the ability to bring over some of that data from older devices that you have laying around without losing everything you have set up on your main phone. With all of this information being discovered via an APK teardown, the details mentioned in this report may or may not result in the features being rolled out to the public. Yes, we do have reason to believe that they are actively being developed, but one or both of these new methods mentioned in this video could also be scrapped due to some unforeseen circumstances. Maybe the developers end up fighting a bug or a security issue that would just take too much time to resolve. Or maybe they could end up needing to shift those resources to another more important task or feature. We won't know if Google has plans to actually launch these new features until an announcement has been made. So this is a new type of video that I would like to call an Android News Byte. If the response to these early videos is positive, then I'll keep them going with the goal of covering the most important news topic of the day within the Android community. Not only will I be able to highlight the most important aspects of that topic, but maybe I can also give a few perspectives around it as well.